For me, restoration is not only to restore the land degradation or the forest, but the more important thing is to restore the efforts of the all stakeholders, not only farmers, not only private sector, but also governments, also other stakeholders who have objective or purposes to do restoration. The prioritization for the restoration is to improve the livelihood of people, especially for the livelihood of farmers in rural area. By then, the conservation will run better because farmers have or local people have better livelihood. For me, the main challenges is to integrate, to synergize between the stakeholders, between government. Government has objective quite different with the farmers' objective, and quite different with the objective of private sectors who wants to run the restoration program or nursery for restoration program. So that's the barrier. But how to reduce the barrier? So let's work together.